Could a president change who's a citizen with just a pen stroke? A new executive order is attempting exactly that.
So let's break this down. We're looking at the order, the legal loophole, and a 125-year-old case that's key.
It all kicked off on January 20, 2025, with Executive Order 14160, aimed at redefining American birthright.
So who's targeted? Kids whose moms were here unlawfully, or even on a temporary visa for school or work.
Now get this. This entire high-stakes battle really boils down to just 8 words in the Constitution. It's right there in the Citizenship Clause. Those 8 words, subject to the jurisdiction thereof. That's everything.
Okay, but what does subject to the jurisdiction actually mean? That is the entire legal debate right there. One side says, born here, you follow our laws, you're a citizen. The other says, no, it means complete political allegiance.
So what have the courts said before? For that, we've got to rewind the clock to a very old Supreme Court case. The historical context here is wild. The late 19th century was a time of really intense anti-immigrant feelings. The court ruled for Wong Kim Ark. He was born in the U.S., so he was a citizen. Simple as that.
So if the Supreme Court already decided this, why are we talking about it? Well, the fight's headed back.
So is that case a broad rule for everyone, or a narrow one, just for kids of legal permanent residence?
Supporters of the order argue that case was never meant to apply to kids of people here illegally. And right now, the lower courts are totally divided. Some judges have even blocked the order. It's a mess.
Look, this is way more than just a legal argument. This is going to have a huge impact on people's lives.
Every single year, around 150,000 children are born in the U.S. who could be affected. Their citizenship is on the line.
So the Supreme Court has to decide, is birthright citizenship a constitutional right or a policy a president can change?